Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate the GoDaddy website builder with Microsoft Office 365. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go and open up the official GoDaddy website right here, godaddy.com. If you've not already, and from there you can get started opening up your website builder. And once you open up your website in editor mode, it's going to look like this. From here, you can get started with selecting all the options that you can use for managing your website at the left and right side of the screen. So let's go and take a look at a quick guide on how to get started with Microsoft 365. So we have an article right here in the official GoDaddy website that we can go and use to follow. So basically, after signing into your email, if you do not already have an account with Microsoft, you're going to go and create one. You can go ahead and sign in. So once you've done that, now we can install the Office apps. So you can sign into the email and Office dashboard and then install the Microsoft 365 apps to be able to set them up with your GoDaddy website. So once you've set up everything you need and you have gotten your domains and DNS records that you want to integrate with GoDaddy, you're going to go to your management portfolio right here. Also the GoDaddy website, log into your GoDaddy account and open up your portfolio. From here, we can get started managing our domains and our DNS settings. So from here, you can get started following the steps on integrating it directly with Microsoft 365. And if you need any more help, you can go and take a look at the article or contact their customer support. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching. Take care and bye.